This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to Ratan IT. My name is Ratan. Guys, we're discussing core Java assignments, right? I hope everyone's following that videos, right? Everyone's following that videos. Just please maintain the notes to write all the assignments. Almost we'll discuss about the 300 plus assignments. You get the point, right? Yeah. Guys, in this video, we'll go for the just previous video talk about this assignment, right? So take the number from end user, print the table, and this assignment take the number from end user, same thing. Print the multiplication tables, guys, up to given number. For example, if I enter the number 5 means I need to print the multiplication tables like 1, second, third, fourth, fifth. If I enter the 10 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Exactly. You understood the requirement, right? Once we understood the requirement, please pause the video. Try to start write the assignment first. Then after completion of what you written, just you can start the video. Can you please cross check that your assignment and what I written both are correct or not? Like both are matched. If it is not, then we will see. Yes, you got the point, right? Yeah, let me write the answer for this one. Take the number from end user, print the multiplication tables up to given number. Okay, good. Because to write the code, we're using like edit plus. Just now previous video. Yeah, edit plus means what? Go to the file menu, click on the new Java. Take the class name is a test class. Yes, take the test class. Assistant dot outdoor printer enough. Give the message like enter a number. Just enter a number, right? If enter a number means what? He'll enter some number. And how can we get that number? To get that number, scanner class required. Scanner is equal to what amount? New scanner. Then you can write the system dot in. Scanner dot to read the integer value next int method. Scanner dot next int number you can take. You get the point, right? Int number. You see here we need the two for loops here. First for loop to repeat the data up to this number. Nothing but what starts from 1, right? Starts from 1 means what? Int I equal to 1. You got the point, right? I less than or equal to number. Assume like first one table printed. Assume like I given the number is 5, guys. If I given the number is 5 means first one table is printed, then loop is repeated, second table is printed, third table, fourth table, fifth table. Up to fifth table is printed. 5 less than or equal to number, right? True. Then you can make it as I plus plus. Okay, this is a for loop to iterate the numbers 1 to 5. And inside this one, we need to write one more for loop to print the table, guys. Okay, this for loop is what? Iterate the, tell me guys, iterate the numbers. Iterate the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Assume like I enter the number 5. It's printing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a for loop to iterate the numbers up to 5. Up to 5 means what? I value starts from 1, right? 1 to 5. This is the for loop printing the multiplication table here. Again, multiplication table is what? Starts from 1. 1 to 10, right? J equal to 1. J less than or equal to 10. Tell me J plus plus, right? Exactly. Because this is iterating the numbers like 1 to 5 because I given the number, enter number 5, right? Exactly. What about this for loop here? This for loop, yeah, this for loop, what it will do? This for loop print the table, right? Print the table. Just to print the table, just you can write the message, the system dot out dot print enough. I think fifth table if I want 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are means what? Okay, observe carefully here. First table, assume like the loop is started. When the loop is started, what the first number tell me? 1. Okay, 1, right? 1 means what? I value. Because 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, like that. This is 1. Okay, observe carefully. 1. Okay, next one is what? Ones are J value. Got the point, right? This I value comes from here, guys. I value. I value now it is 1. Then one table is printed, one table is printed. one ones are like this, equal to, tell me. So something like equal to you can write plus, then tell me I star j. Because I value means what? First iteration 1. First iteration 1 means what? 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 1 threes are 1 fours are like that. Once it is done completed, then I value becomes what? 2. Then j value becomes again 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are 2 fours are. I think you got the clarity, right? This is like printing the number I value. This is like iterating the loop, print the table, right? Guys, are you clear now? Yeah, that is the point. If you're not able to understand one time, it's a YouTube videos, right? Again, you can start from starting, again read it one more time. You get the more clarity. Hey guys, see the same example multiple times if you're not able to get the more clarity. And what happens? Keep on when you see the examples, definitely you get the clarity, guys. Definitely will get the clarity. Because we have that option, right? It's not like classroom. If it is a classroom means what? One time sir will teach you the example. If you're not able to understand means what? You need to ask at least your friends. But YouTube video, if you're not able to understand, just you can start the video one more time. Start the video one more time. Start the video one more time. But you need to get the clarity. Because first one is what first for loop is talking about. I want print the data 1 to 5. 1 to 5, right? 1 to 5 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To repeat this data, this for loop. This for loop is what? Printing the table, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I value means what? Ma? First I value is 1. J value is 1. The loop. What happened here? Throat. Yeah, I equal 1, j equal 10. So j plus plus is the right. Then 1 ones are, I hope you understood, right? 1 ones are, 1 twos are. Then I value becomes the 2. J value is 1 again. Again loop is started, na? Then 2 ones are, 2 twos are like that is printed. You got the point, right? Yes. Yes, let me run this code. To run this code, just open the command prompt. Tell me where is the code? Where is the code? Yeah. This is your code. And where is the command prompt? This is the command prompt. Guess local disk D, let me run the code. How to run the code? Tell me. JavaScript application is what? Test.java. This code is compiled file. Java class is called what? Uh, Java class is called test class, guys. Enter a number. Guess let me print the give the I 5 only. Now see the output, guys, once. This is output now. Yeah. One ones are, one twos are, two, one threes are up to one table is printed. One table is completed, then second table is started. No? Second table is started, then third table is started, then fourth table is started, then fifth table is. I think now you got the clarity, right? So you got the clarity or not? If you enter the 20, then definitely 20 tables are printed, guys. See, this is the 20th table, 19th, 18th, 16th, 14th, 12th, 8, 7, 6, 2, 1. You got the clarity, right? Just there is a printing the table, guys. So previously I discussed one assignment. Previously, just to give the number, only that number table. Now this one is what? Up to given number. Up to given number means what? One for loop for the up to given number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. One for loop for the what purpose? No? Printing the table, right? Exactly. Okay, sorry, clear now. Guys, just please take that example. Okay, follow the videos. And please, I hope everyone maintain the notes, right? Just you can write all the assignments in the single notes here. One page by page. In one page, one assignment you should write. Don't write half of assignments in half of page here. Complete assignment. One page should contain only one assignment. That's it. Guys, I'm teaching all the assignments for you guys. I think you enjoyed the subject and you are getting some information, right? Yeah. If you feel like that, please like the video, comment the video, tell me, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, right? Sir, man. Yeah. Just inform to your friends. Just to pass this information, like send these videos to your friends, and at least they'll get some subject, right? Yeah. So thank you guys. Meet in next video. We'll go for next question. Thank you.